Hello friends, my name is Sharaf. Today I am going to say you how to create macros in Excel. Okay, first let's check how a macro works and its advantages. So see, when I click this button, it moves to the next sheet. So the use is that you can do the same task repeatedly. Okay, now there are many functions of macro, but today we are going to learn one function that is how to move from sheet to sheet. Okay, let me open a new. Now, first step, you're going to add the developer tab. So how do you add the developer tab? So you can right click on any command in Excel and you get customize the ribbon. Then you should check developer there and then click OK. Then go to the developer tab. In the code group, click on a record macro. Okay, let's click on record macro to see what happens. Record macro. You should give the macro name. If you want, you don't need to give. I'm gonna give it sheet 2. And remember one point. You should not leave a gap between your words. You can add a shortcut key or you can store this macro wherever you want. You can store it in this workbook, you can store it in a new workbook, or you can store it in a personal macro workbook. And even you can add a description. I'm gonna leave that one and I'm gonna click OK. Now it is recording. So when it's recording, it does not record your voice or what actions you do. It just records what you do in Excel. So let me click on sheet 2. Then I'm going to click on stop recording. In sheet 1, in the controls group, you're going to add macro. You're going to add a button which performs the macro, or you can just click on macros on the macro and click run. Let's click on insert. Let me click on form controls, a button. You can make the button as your size. I'm gonna do this one and I'm gonna click on OK. Now we have our button ready. Now let me click this. It moves to the sheet 2. So this is how we create the macro for moving sheet to sheet. Hope this video was helpful to you. Do try this, friends. It will be very interesting. We will see more types of macro in the upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon, like our videos if you find it interesting, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you, love you all.